Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Elaine. Today, I am giving you a very classic, old school Sephora haul. It's been a very long time since I have spent quite a bit of money on any skincare or makeup. I've been trying to use what I had, live according to my budget, stay within my means, all of those good economic financial principles. And so I haven't been able to do one of these in a while, but I got some Sephora gift cards for my birthday, and they also have a new program where you can trade in 500 points for $10, and I did that as well. So my $180 total ended up being $130.78 for what I'm going to show you today. If you love makeup and skincare and all things girly and lovely, stay tuned and see what I got from Sephora. All right, the first product that I got from Sephora is my favorite hair cream, and it is the Moroccan Oil Curl Defining Cream. This retailed for $36. It is not cheap. She is living the luxury cream life. But it's my fave. I've been using it for multiple years. It has been in my best of hair products videos for multiple years, and I really love it. And so I haven't used it in a while. I've been having braids for most of the summer, and so I'm going back to what I love, the Moroccan Curl Cream. It just does what my hair wants. That's it. That's what happens. Second is, if you watched the previous video, a reason exactly why I went into Sephora, and that was to buy the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I am a Olaplex believer. I have done multiple videos on how Olaplex restores my curl patterns and keep my hair in tip-top shape. I will link a couple above. If you don't believe me, I am not new to this. I am true to this. Okay. So I needed some more conditioner. I have Olaplex number 3, which is the bond strengthener for my hair. I have Olaplex number 4, which is the shampoo. I ran out of the conditioner, and I also use Olaplex number 7, which is the bond oil for shine and strengthening. Love all of the products, and so got this as well, and it retailed for $30, 30 American dollars, y'all. Another reason why I went into Sephora was to get a makeup primer. Right now I don't have on any makeup, but what was recommended to me was the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. It is in a package like this, just embossed letters that say Milk, but then the name of the product is on the side here. And so I went in asking for a recommendation for someone with normal to dry skin tone, but that her makeup tends to slide on her face. My makeup does not grip to my skin. I feel like it should. And so this was the recommendation, the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Primer. And I bought the mini size just to try it out. It was 18 American dollars. $18. So we're gonna put this on now. Let's just go ahead and try it. So the tube is all black. It's a squeezy tube, plastic. We still have our quality control sticker on it. I will put some of this, maybe that amount, and I will put it on my face. The only thing on my face is my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and the Danessa Myricks face oil. That's why I had the glow. So I told the sales rep in Sephora that I normally wear Dior Backstage. She said that makeup That foundation, Dior Backstage, definitely will get you hydrated. It's hydrating, and I agree. So she recommended this to stop it from moving around. I'm gonna use a little more on my nose. I just feel like I didn't hit all the critical spots. Okay, so then in this video, we'll put on the Dior Backstage and see how we like this. Another product that I got. Oh, did I say how much that cost? Yes, 18 American dollars. Okay. Not the Canadian coin, but the American coin. I also got a lip liner. I got a brown lip liner. Y'all, I remember back in the day, only black girls wore brown lip liners. And when I say black girls, I actually mean like those of us who were brown and mahogany. We were using the brown lip liner like it was going out of style and nobody else really fooled with it. But now, like, everybody, did somebody put this on TikTok? I'm not on TikTok because, you know, I'm not with the Chinese government trying to steal all my data, okay? I'm just saying. But if I was, I would just be like, can y'all stop putting people on game? Because Sephora is running out of brown lip liners. So I ended up getting the one by Huda Beauty. It's the Lip Contour 2.0 Automatic Lip Pencil. And I got the shade Rich Brown, because that's what I want to be, rich and brown. And this cost me $19. Y'all see how we quickly get to the 180, right? Like nothing in here is 99 cents. Nothing is 99 cents. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's the color. I will swatch on my hand. This is what that looks like. I'll put it on my lips. Now, I actually needed this for a product that I bought in a previous Ulta haul. Let me get the lip product and then I'll show you exactly why I needed a brown lip liner. I previously had purchased two shades and I don't really get a lot of use out of this because I didn't have a brown lip liner. One is the shade Bad Guy by NARS and the other is the shade Yes Honey by Smashbox. And so I'm going to put on the Smashbox Yes Honey. See, without the lip liner, this would make me look like ashy lipped, but now I look really good. And yeah, that was $19. So I also wanted to pick up another Dior Lip Glow Oil. I am addicted to these. I love the way they feel on my lips. I think they are so comforting. They're shiny and they just give me the pigment I want. I love like a dewy look. And so I got the Lip Glow Oil, the Color Reviver Cherry Oil. I got it in the shade Mahogany, honey, because it's one of my favorite movies. And no, I swatched the shade and it looked divine. So this is what the tube looks like. This is what the package looks like. The shade on the bottle. And you're gonna put this on top. And this is what this combination looks like. I love it. I'm here for my own lips. You ain't got to be with it. You ain't got to fool with it. But I love it. Like, yeah, we here for it. So the Dior lip oil in mahogany was $38. So this was the most expensive thing I purchased. Not surprised. I also picked up in the little easy checkout line, I saw some clean deodorant. 92% of the ingredients are from natural origin. And I'm always on the search for a really great clean deodorant. So I gave this one a go and it was $8. And then lastly, I picked up one of my favorite mascaras of all time. It is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. And this was a Best of Beauty product for 2019, the Allure Best of Beauty for 2019. This was the best mascara. That is how I got on this. I've been using it since then, and I think it's divine. And I also got a birthday gift. She was kind enough to give it to me in August, even though my birthday is in July. And so I picked up the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream and Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser Duo. So this is what I got for my birthday gift. We're gonna put on the mascara. I'll get up close so you can see what my eyes look like without any mascara. And then I'll put this on. I love the natural aesthetic of this mascara. And they normally run out. Like they do have a cult following. I'll show you, it's the brush. The brush is just like, I'm gonna grab every little bristle, and that's why I love it. It's like no lash left behind. See, I have really fine lashes they're dark, but they're fine. And you can't really tell I have any until they are coated with mascara. And now you would think I put on something that was volumizing, or no, this is just to stretch the length. It's just lengthening. Do you see that? Do you see this? I love this mascara. It just gives me what my lashes need. It's not too much. She's not trying too hard. Her lashes are not trying to get people's attention from across the room. They're just trying to be the best version of themselves, okay? My lashes want to bring all of themselves into the workplace, okay? So long. Look at this. I love them. Love it. So let's put on our Dior Backstage Foundation. Our primer has set, and I'll let you know what I think of it. Be right back. All right, I'm back with my foundation on, and it has set. I did not use any powder. If you know, you know, I do not powder over my Dior Backstage. It just sets beautifully, and I just needed a foundation primer that would work well with it. So I used Dior shade 5W Dior Backstage today. I think it looks beautiful. I really do like how the milk primer mattified, and then it allowed this to set beautifully but without looking dry. I don't feel like it took away from its dewiness or the glow that it gives me when I wear this foundation, which is one of my faves on the market right now. these are the products that I got from Sephora. Let me know what you think of my Sephora haul. What was the best item you think I picked up? What do you think will be in a best of beauty in the future? And if you've been shopping at Sephora and picking up new things, leave it in the comments for the Girl Boss Beauties. Let us know what's your favorite new item at Sephora right now. I love you all, as I say in every video. I hope you are blessed to be a blessing. Shout out to my sister, my friend from like 3rd grade, Miss Mayoka, who gifted me a Sephora gift card and allowed me to buy even more goodies today. I love you, sis, and I appreciate you. I hope that you are blessed to be a blessing as well, and I will see you all in the Girl Boss Beauty community in the next video. Bye.